Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language within the PUBG game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG game on your device. And once you open it up, proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already using your Google account or your Facebook. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start a match. Now, if you wish to change the language for your application, then click on the More option at the bottom right corner, which looks like an up arrow. Now from this page, click on Settings, and this will take you onto the settings page. Now underneath the settings menu, scroll down and you will see Language. Tap on Language, and now you will be allowed to change your interface as well as primary language option. Click on the Edit button and you can choose from the various different languages available. Just click on your desired language and click on the OK button. You can then also do the same for the primary language option as well as the secondary language option. Click on the Edit button and choose your desired language, and once you tap on OK, the language will be changed right away and your game will restart to accommodate the change. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within the PUBG game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.